Good morning, student of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today we are doing S2 of block 5, page number 23, and today's date is 5 of August 2020, and this all work is about classwork, and we are doing multiplication chapter. Okay, S2 is multiples of 2, 4 and 8. Which numbers will come in table of 2, 4 and 8 we will see in this class. Okay, question 1, skip count by 4 and write the numbers. That means we have to skip 4. Okay, fourth number we have to write fourth number. Okay, so we have 32 and we have to skip 4. So 32 will skip, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. If you are counting from 32, you will write fifth number, and if you are counting from 33, then you will write fourth number. Okay, now we will count after number. Okay, and fourth number we will write. Okay, this one is 36. After 36 what number will come? Yes, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Fourth number we will write. Okay, fourth number we will write 40. Okay, now we have here 40. Next will come 41, 42, 43 and 44. Fourth number we will write, and this one is already written here, 44. Next we have here missing, so we will count from 45, 46, 47, 48. Fourth number we will write. Now 48. Next 49, 50, 51 and 52. Fourth number is 52. Next we have 53, 54, 55 and 56. Fourth number we will write. Now question number 2. A. Color the multiples of 2 between 1 and 9 in red. That means we have to color multiple of 2, but should be come in mid of 1 और 9 के बीच में वो नंबर होना चाहिए. That should be in mid of between of 1 and 9. Multiple of 2. So 2 1 जा 2, that is 2. Okay, between 1 और 9 के बीच में आता है, so 2. We have to color with red. Okay, but I am not doing here because that will be not proper visible to you, so I am doing with pencil and you will do with your color. Next we have 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, that is less than by 9. 9 से कम होना चाहिए वो नंबर, that should be less than by 9. Okay, 2 3 जा 6 and 2 4 are 8. If we are counting 2 5 are 10 here, but that will be more than by 9, so we will count till 8. Okay, next B. Color the multiples of 4. We have to count the table of 4, and the number should be between 11 or 27, and you have to color with blue. Okay, so let's start. 4 4 1 ja 4, no, because that is less than by 11. Okay, 4 2 ja 8, no. 4 3 ja 12, yes, that is between in 11 and 27. Okay, we have to color with blue, but I don't have, and I am doing with marker, sorry, highlighter. You can see proper because we are doing multiple of 4. So 4 3 जा 12, yes. 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 24 and 4 7 ja 28, that is more than by 27, so we will do till 24. Okay, next see, color the multiples of 8 between 28 or 48, and we have to do color with green. Okay, but I am not doing, I am using pencil because that will be not proper visible. Okay, colored, these are multiple of 2, these are multiple of 4, and again I am doing multiple of 8 with pencil. Okay, so the number should be between 28 or 48. 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. Okay, that is less than by 28. No, that number will not come. 8 4 ja, yes, 8 4 ja 32. Yes, we have 32. Okay, 8 5 ja 40. And 8 6 ja 48, and we have to color with between, that means इन दोनों के बीच में होना चाहिए, ना तो ये ना ये और ना इससे आगे पीछे. ओके, between. Okay, so 48 will not come in this because we are doing between both of 28 or 48. Okay, two numbers we have. Next, question number 3. Write the first 10 multiples of 2, 4,